Hey Azusa, my name is Nathan Nunez and I work with the City of Azusa's Recreation Division. Today we'll be going over balanced exercises you can do at home. Remember to always seek the advice of a physician before you start any physical activity or exercise. Stay active Azusa, have fun, and let's get started. So our first exercise that we'll go over today for the balance exercise is a chair stand. So what you're going to need is a sturdy chair. You're going to be seated in the chair. You're going to grab the arm rails. Push yourself up, make sure you're breathing while you're doing the exercise, and then go back down. Remember to listen to your own body. If you eventually feel that you can take your hands off the arm rails, go ahead and do so. But that's if you feel comfortable doing so, all right? When you do take your hands off the arm rails, place them across your chest, and then go back down. And go back up. When you're doing this exercise, remember to keep your head facing forward and to try to keep your back as straight as possible. We don't want you to lean forward too much because potentially you could fall. Remember, have fun when you're doing this exercise and be safe. So our next exercise is the standing chair leg raise. Make sure before you do this exercise, you're working with a clear area. And then find yourself a sturdy chair. What you're going to do is place your hands on the back of the chair rest, and then you're going to lift your leg up and hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you're going to perform this for 2 to 5 repetitions. Okay? So let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember to always do it with both legs also, so you can work out both legs. So our next exercise is the heel to toe walk. It is a little bit hard to do, but remember to listen to your body's limits and go with what your body says. So we start off right here, and what we're going to do is place our right foot in front of our left foot, and then move forward, okay? You do this as much as you feel comfortable with doing. We'll go ahead and perform this movement alongside a wall in case you need to have a wall to keep yourself steady. Okay? This is another exercise that you can do to help improve your balance. And remember, go at your own pace, have fun, stay safe, and stay active, Azusa. Thank you.